Lounge Repair Guys Franchise, National Opportunity. Be your own boss with an income from day one with Australia's only mobile lounge repairer franchise. Market leaders for service and quality, the franchise boasts national retailer contracts and a huge database of private customers. Your franchise package includes a kickstart guarantee with the potential to earn $3,000 per week. You'll receive full training and a dedicated territory with flexible working hours to suit your lifestyle. With ongoing support from the franchisor and management team, you'll tap into an established client base. There's also a fully integrated and SEO optimized website, plus 3 months of pay-per-click advertising thrown in. Being a mobile business, your overheads are very low and there's no need for business premises. With huge margins and gross profit for service, you don't even need any experience or specific qualifications. If you are self-motivated and enjoy a hands-on role, this is the job for you. Register your interest today to ensure you don't miss this unique franchise opportunity.